y'all, welcome to my channel, Southern Angel Stamping. My name is Tammy, and today I have a little bit of a Dollar Tree DIY for you. I bought this a while back in one of my it was my last Dollar Tree haul, I do believe. And I've been meaning to come on here and show y'all this. This is a candle making set that I got. This is do-it-yourself. It has lavender, magnolia, and Asian lily, it says in it. I just wanted to come on here and do it with y'all on video. So here is the Asian lily, and as soon as I open it up, it's very fragrant. I can smell it all. Magnolia, and then the lavender. Lavender's my favorite. Of course, all of them smell really good. So that's why I picked this, because I love all those fragrances. And I don't know what else they have. I've had this for quite a while. And then here's the little thing right here that you put it in. It's already got the wick sitting in there. And let's see, there's really no directions on this. Well, I take that back. There are some directions right here on the side. It just says fill the wick jar with scented granulates. Lay the granulates to create design and patterns. Trim the wick to a 1/4 inch before lighting. Light the candle and enjoy. So it's that simple. So you can layer it anyhow, any way you want. So that's simple enough. I think I want the lavender on top. I would have thought this was lavender. This looks almost like pink. I think I'll do this one up. Well, let's see, maybe I'll put it in the middle. I wonder if I could do a little bit. Let's see. I should have tried to do my camera angle different, but I didn't have another way of setting it up so y'all could see really what I was doing. But I will show you after I get this done. I need to go back, see if they have these still. Y'all let me know in the comments below if y'all have seen these at your Dollar Tree, or if y'all have gotten any of these before. Ooh. Didn't mean to spill them. And all this is like wax grounded up. So it's all gonna melt. Oh, it's so fragrant. It smells so good. I'm trying to create like a little design. seeing if that's possible. Go ahead and finish that up, and let's see, we'll put the pink. Oop, cat hair. Actually, I keep forgetting the pink is the lavender. Yep, is the lavender. This is the Asian lily, and I had really wanted that to be on the top, but that's okay. It all smells good. So there we go. Oh, it looks really cute. Just gonna pat it down a little bit. So I'm going to take the camera down. I'll definitely take some pictures and show you, because I know I can't turn it very well, because if I turn it sideways, it's all going to dump out. So keep watching and I'll show you the pictures. Alright, so here's what it looks like. You can see a little bit of the design. Like I said, I'll take some pictures and post them at the end. And then if you follow me on Instagram and Facebook or Twitter, I'll be posting pictures on there as well, so you can see those. And I thank y'all for watching. Please leave me a comment down below. Tell me what you think, if you've ever seen these or done this before. And please give me a thumbs up. Please share. And if you're not a subscriber of my channel, I'd love it if you would subscribe. Click the bell for all notifications and keep watching for more videos. Thanks so much for watching and have a very blessed day. See you again soon.